Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the dynamics of the table of contents in Microsoft Word. Take an example of my document here. I have my headings, subheadings, and body texts typed out, and all I'm remaining to do is format them so that I can add my table of contents. By default, the table of contents is formatted to accept texts in the document that are styled in heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, and so on. So in this case, we need to first style all the headings that we want to appear on the table of contents. So I'll go ahead and select this first heading and format it as heading 1, and then the next one as heading 2, and then the remaining ones as a heading 3. You can include as many heading styles as you want depending on the size of your document. After this, you can go to the page where you want to have the table of contents, and after click on reference, then click on table of contents. You will be presented with many options to choose from. Select either automatic table 1 or automatic table 2. Then after that, your table will be added automatically with the title text and the page numbers. Now if you want to include only particular headings on your table of contents, head to table of contents and select custom table of contents. On the dialog box that appears, click on options and then clear the headings that you do not wish to appear on your table of contents, and leave only those you want, and then after you click OK. As you can see, your table is only updated with selected headings. If you want to modify the appearance of text on your table of contents, use the custom table of content options, and on the dialog box click on modify, then select which heading you want to modify and then click modify. Go ahead and make the modifications you want, and after click OK. As you can see, all the headings you selected to modify have been changed. Now if by any chance you make more additions to your document and have headings you need to update on your table of contents, click on your table of contents, point your cursor to where there is the word update table of content and click on it. The dialog box will pop up. Select option number 2, which has the word update entire table, and your table will be updated with the new headings that were added to your document. But in cases where you have not added headings but have only moved a particular heading to a different page, follow the same procedure above and select option number 1, which has the word update page numbers only. Then your table of contents will only update the page numbers that the new heading has been moved to. If you have any questions regarding the topic that I have just discussed, please leave a comment below so that I can see how I may help you. If you like the content I share, subscribe and click on the notification button to receive updates when I upload a new video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.